Digital weighing systems measure raw materials with high precision before processing. This ensures consistent quality and minimizes waste in production. Real-time data guides efficient manufacturing. The refined powder is fed into enormous ball mills for ultra-fine grinding. The system monitors the clay's temperature in real time. Automated controls regulate the firing process. Precision ensures the clay is fired to perfection. High-pressure pumps move the clay toward the casting department.
Let's get these molds spotless. Right. Hitting the deep channels now. Looks clean. Moving to the next one.
To prevent thermal shock, the toilets cool gradually. This prevents cracks and maintains durability. The process is controlled and steady, ensuring long-term performance and safety. Hydraulic systems lock the molds securely during filling.
Ready? Let's open it. Okay. Careful, it's fragile. Looks good. To the shelf.
First, use a wet sponge to clean the rim where the seat will attach. Wipe in a circular motion to remove any dust or residue. This ensures a smooth, clean surface for the seat.
We'll punch the flush holes under the rim to improve water flow. Use firm, even strikes. There we go, 3 clean holes. I'm using this tool to punch the flush holes under the rim. Each punch creates a clean water exit hole. These holes ensure a powerful, even flush.
All right, let's open it. It's releasing smoothly. Looks solid, good release.
I'm punching the flush holes now. This ensures even water flow. Apply firm, steady pressure. The tool punches right through. Move clockwise around the rim, spacing the holes evenly. Almost done. Commencing visual inspection of the toilet bowl for surface defects. Rotating to check the rim and upper surfaces for cracks. Interior bottom is clear, inspection favorable.
Careful with that glaze. Got it, setting it down. All right, next one.
Initiating acoustic hammer test on Commode. Test complete, unit is solid, crack-free. Trapway clearance. A laser-guided probe ensures the toilet's S-trap is 100% smooth for waste passage. The S-trap is now verified 100% smooth. Flush valve secure. How's the fill valve? Almost. Tightening the clip now. Good. Check the chain slack. It's good. Ready to mount the lid. Initiating flush test. Peak at 68.7 decibels. Post-flush level at 45.2 decibels. Operationally silent. Final visual scan, checking for minor shade variations in the white glaze. This plate shows a slight variation under the beam, documenting it. Place the floor bolts into the bag inside the bowl. Next, add the wax ring. Finally, add the plastic caps. Now the kit is ready for installation. First, drop the installation manual into the Commode. Next, drop the warranty card in with it. Finally, adjust the documents so they lie flat. Line the box walls with EPS foam sheets for cushioning. Press firmly to secure the foam against the cardboard. Trim excess foam with a box guide for a precise fit. With the base lined, the Commode is ready for packing. All right, let's log this Commode batch into the global system. Scanning the barcode now. Perfect, data logged successfully. Next batch. These sensors monitor the ceramic Commode units in real time. The system ensures the units are protected from extreme heat or cold. Continuous monitoring is key to maintaining product integrity. First, we'll print the export label. Next, the fragile sticker for safe handling. Now, just apply them to the boxes.
First pallet of premium toilets loading into the 40-footer for the USA. Pallet secured, moving into position. Pallet in place, first one loaded. All right, let's get these commodes unloaded. Got it, they're heavy. Looks good, let's get the next one. Delivery for the 23rd floor. ID and purpose? Plumbing install, here's my badge. Proceed to the service elevator.
First, position the wax ring directly over the floor drain. Press down firmly to create a complete seal. The wax will deform to fit, ensuring a leak-proof connection. Water from toilet flush tests enters the recovery tank for initial settling. It then passes through the filtration unit, removing debris. Next, chemical treatment adjusts pH and purifies the water, closing the loop. This is the Commode kiln, where intense heat bakes ceramic items. The heat harvesting pipes capture this hot exhaust. The hot air is directed to the drying rooms. This efficient process significantly reduces energy costs. The automated printing machine precisely applies the recyclable material logo to each cardboard Commode box. This eco-friendly step ensures the packaging is clearly identified for recycling, promoting green manufacturing goals. Traditional plastic foam is widely used but creates waste. A sustainable alternative is molded paper pulp made from recycled fibers. It provides excellent protection and is biodegradable. This carbon footprint audit shows our factories reduce CO2 emissions for every Commode produced. The emissions chart and trend graph highlight our steady 3%, demonstrating our commitment to sustainability. AI status report on the Commode line. All systems optimal. Efficiency at 98.7%.
Good. Monitor variance in Station 2.
Confirmed. Log it.
Built to last. No scratches after months of use. 5 stars for durability.
Hygiene game changing just. With Autoship, ease, 5 to pleasure my best.